Gut health is the foundation of overall health, from digestion to immunity to even our mood. You've probably heard of probiotics and prebiotics, but recently, a new buzzword is taking over: postbiotics. So what are they? How are they different? And who needs them the most? Let's break it down in simple science-backed steps. Let's start with probiotics. These are the live, friendly bacteria that live in your gut and help balance your digestive system. Found in yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, kombucha. They help with digestion, reduce bloating, and strengthen your immune system. Especially beneficial for people who take antibiotics often, those with IBS, or anyone struggling with frequent digestive issues. Think of probiotics as the good soldiers in your gut, protecting you from harmful bacteria. Now let's move to prebiotics. These are not bacteria, but the food that feeds your probiotics. Found in garlic, onions, bananas, oats, beans, apples. Without prebiotics, probiotics can't survive or multiply. Great for people with constipation, irregular digestion, or low-fiber diets. So if probiotics are soldiers, prebiotics are their food supply, keeping them strong and active. Here's where it gets interesting. Postbiotics. Postbiotics are the compounds produced after probiotics feed on prebiotics. Think of them as the beneficial end products of fermentation inside your gut. These include short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, protect gut lining, reduce inflammation. Enzymes and peptides regulate digestion and immunity. Antioxidants and vitamins boost body defenses. The best part? Postbiotics work even if the probiotic bacteria are no longer alive. You can get postbiotics naturally from fermented vegetables, kimchi, sauerkraut, pickles, soy and miso products, sourdough bread, kombucha and apple cider vinegar. Who benefits most? People with weak immunity. Stronger defense. Those with inflammatory issues like IBS or allergies. Reduced flare-ups. People recovering after antibiotics. Restored gut balance. In short, probiotics are the workers, prebiotics are their food, and postbiotics are the healing product. To get the full benefits, you want all three. Eat probiotic-rich foods to bring in the good bacteria. Add prebiotic fibers to keep them alive. And enjoy fermented foods that already contain beneficial postbiotics. Together, they create a healthy gut ecosystem working 24/7 for your digestion, immunity, and energy. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember this simple formula. Probiotics plus prebiotics equals postbiotics. And it's those postbiotics that give your body the real lasting benefits. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health. Your gut will thank you.